Can you hear me? Oh, what's up? Hey, 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 oh, what's up? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I have not done a lock video in a hot little second. Look at this one now. It's been acting correct all day. It is after work now and I'm gonna retwist my hair. Hopefully it does not take too long. I let my Instagram followers vote on the style that they wanted to see me in or which style I can do. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead, click that follow button. I'm a lot more jokey, a lot more active on Instagram, obviously, than I am on YouTube. But if you're meeting me here and seeing me here, obviously don't be afraid to subscribe and join us and comment down below. And comment down below. This is a retwist with me video. This is what my hair is looking like. And I was just looking at videos of my locks from this time last year when I swore that my locks were getting longer. And they were literally like right here. Well, when I do this, I'm like, did it really get that much longer? But as y'all can see, I got the lion's mane going on right now. That red already kind of faded for anyone that was worried. It faded and we're good. We're great. We're going. I'm gonna be doing some 2-strand twists today. But before we get into that, this is what my hair is looking like. As y'all can see, we are lengthening. We are getting fuller, and this is, my hair is just a little bit damp still. Obviously, I feel like people don't know this, but just like loose natural hair, your locks actually do shrink up after they dry quite a while. So, but I just count this as my true length. This is what it is looking like. I always measure the length of my hair by the locks that I have in the front. Once these start getting long, yeah, we in there. I'm honestly just focused on making sure that my hair is healthy and that I love on it like it loves on me. But with all that said, let's just get straight into it. I have my usual retwisting products. I have the Rosewater. Obviously. As I am scalp and dandruff oil. My Shine and Jam magic fingers. I want to try the Napstar retwisting products. If y'all want me to try any other products or have suggestions of things for me to try, holla at your girl, let me know. I love that, but I'm also willing to try new. As usual, we're gonna part our hair. Should I moisturize my hair first? We could do. Let's get straight into it. take a little breaky for a second. I'm about, is this halfway done, y'all? Maybe, potentially. I'm a good portion of the way done, I feel like. Ooh, but it still feels like I got a good amount too. I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I feel like that took way longer than expected. I took some longer than expected breaks. And then I don't know what's going on, y'all. I've done this hairstyle 2 times before. This is my 3rd time doing it. But this time, well, I just feel like I miscalculated. Like, I have one that has 3, and it's like in the top somewhere. It might be this one. I I'm not even sure. But this is what the style is looking like. Usually I would add mousse and sit under the dryer for a hot second, but it's 10:24 and I got a 9 a.m. meeting. I ain't sitting under no dryer. Okay. But this is what it is looking like. Last time I did 2-strand twists, my hair was literally like up to here. So this is crazy to see. It's so big compared to the other ones, but that's okay. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching as usual. I hope y'all enjoyed watching the process, seeing the growth and everything that comes with it. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye. Maybe I should. Usually I flip it to the side. I don't know why I did the middle part, y'all. But I guess with the middle part I can like, not tonight, not the way my scalp feeling. Yeah. Okay, bye.